Yes. Apply if you're not very interested anyway. Diba? I'm waiting for teachers who's going to have their demonstration. Ang sakit. I'm having cough and cold kaya I'm not feeling very well. I have schedule 3. Supposedly 3 teachers pero they didn't come. It's supposed to be at 10 a.m. Now I'm waiting for the last one at 10:30 a.m. Yung isa 11 but I'm not sure if they're coming also. This is one of the hardship of hiring. I don't know if it's the generation or kasi magpapasko so ayaw nilang mabother kaya hindi na sila pumunta. Pero para sa akin, why apply if you're not very interested anyway? Diba? It's kind of very disappointing kasi I've been waiting for them and I am waiting even until now for someone to come. Pero wala namang dumarating. 3 sila na nakaschedule for a demonstration kasi 2 of our teachers are leaving for the public school. Swerte nung mga aalis na yon kasi December may bakasyon. So I thought I have time to hire. This is some kind of sad reality in the private school. When I was teaching and I was always in the private school, I thought the same as them. To have experience, so mag-apply ako sa private school. I never broke any contract. So if it's 1 year, I'm gonna stay with the school. Mag-apply ako to another school if I want to kapag bakasyon na. Realization is coming in to me as a private school owner na pinagpapraktisan lang ng mga teachers. Nakakalungkot man, pero kasi it's the reality naman talaga. Yun naman talaga ang goal, di ba? Kahit nga ako noon eh. Pero for now, hindi ko nahahayaang maging ganun. Imagine 4 na teachers ang nawala this year. Kasi lumipat sila sa public schools. Hindi nila iniisip yung mga batang iiwan nila. Hindi nila iniisip kung paano sila mapapalitan. So then, kailangan tapusin nila ang 1 year or else they will face some consequences like hindi ako magbibigay ng clearance sa kanila. Sorry, pero I have to protect my students, the school, and the school's reputation. Alam mo yung ang hirap mag-adjust ng mga bata. Nurseries, kinders, especially grade 1s, 2, and 3. Hirap na hirap sila mag-adjust sa mga teachers nila tapos biglang napapalitan twice a year. It's very sad talaga. Kaya magiging stricto na ako doon. Sleepy ka? Okay. You like it? Oh. 10:45, time check. Walang dumating na teachers. Cut. Nyangay karot. I need to find another. I'll be waiting for other applications. That's life. It's hard pero ganun talaga. Need to wait. Sana lang merong dumating this week pero walang dumating. Very sad. Diba? That's the life of a school owner, school administrator. Lahat hawak mo, ikaw lahat ang mag-worry about everything. Nakakalungkot na you are being professional pero sila hindi. Nyay karon, it's life. So that's the ganap for today. Wala akong nahintay. Siguro maglilinis na lang ako dito sa school kasi medyo madumi sa labas. If you can relate from me or if you want more videos from me, just subscribe. The subscribe button. Thank you!